Boxer Tools aluminum logistic track is CNC machined to exact specifications for use with a number of available cargo management accessories. Available in 6-inch, 1 foot, 2 foot, and 4 foot lengths, and with the addition of the 2-inch round type, Boxer Tools aluminum tracks can be combined to create a unique system that works with virtually any application. Each track type is certified for braking strengths from 1,600 to 2,200 pounds. Simple installation with basic shop tools helps to ensure an optimal fit and finish. Suggested tools for installation include a drill and 1/4 inch drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm wrench, a tape measure, spring clamps, a vacuum or compressed air, marker, and aluminum track hardware. To install Boxer aluminum tracks on the floor of your truck bed, begin underneath the vehicle for fitment to ensure that you do not drill through any vital components. First, identify the area on the bottom side of the bed for the best fit. Mark the middle hole and drill up through the truck bed. Then, move to the top side of the truck bed and put a screw through the track and the hole you just drilled. Secure it with a washer and nut from underneath the vehicle. Have another person hold the screw drill and fasten the remaining holes. You may use a vacuum or compressed air to clean debris if necessary. Repeat for the remaining floor installations. To install Boxer aluminum track to the bed rail, measure out the area of installation and mark the ends. Here, 6 feet of track is installed on an 8-foot bed, leaving 1 foot open at each end. Line up the end of the track with the mark and use spring clamps to hold the track in place. Drill the bed rail through the track holes at each end of the track. Fasten the track at each end with aluminum track hardware. Drill the remaining holes in the track and finish fastening it to the truck bed rail. Repeat for the other side. Clean any debris with a vacuum or compressed air. Installation is now complete.